Hi there, hope everyone is good. Today we're going to be focusing in drawing eyes. So we've been looking loads of portraiture and life drawing and also drawing yourself. So I thought I'll zoom in some parts of the face. So I'm going to do a series of videos on different parts of the face. And today we're going to start with eyes. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do is set myself a ground. So I'm going to make the patch where the eye is going to be dark by tilting the charcoal on the side, and then I'm going to get a bit of tissue and I'm going to spread that around, yeah, and that gives me a mid-tone to work from. From there I'm going to start, instead of looking at the outline of the eye, I'm going to start looking at the shapes of the shadows around the eyes. Yeah. And by tilting my charcoal sideways, I'm just building up on those shapes and trying to understand the eye in itself by looking at the space around it. Okay. So from here I'm also going to draw the eyebrow. I'm still using my charcoal on the side. Okay, because I'm not doing any definition just as yet. So from here I'm going to grab my rubber and I'm going to start rubbing out where the whites of the eyes are. And I'm also going to start erasing in other bits that there's lights. And grab a little bit of a blending stick, lighten up some bits, and start blending the lights onto the mids. And I'm noticing some darks that I've missed, so I'm just going to put them back in. Alright, so far I've got that. From here I'm going to start doing a little bit of outline and detail. And I'm going to go straight into the eyebrow just by using the edge of the charcoal. And now from here I'm going to go into the outline of the eye. The fold of the eyelid. Yeah, and the outline of the iris. I'm going to block the whole of the iris and make it all dark. With this one, the blending stick, I'm gonna go around the pupil and give myself a bit of a lighter tone. I'm blending the outline as well. Yeah, can also start going in there and give a lighter one there. Quickly bring in some darks back again. So with charcoal you're always kind of like taking away and putting back on, and in that process you are forever losing all of your dark, so it's really important to put them back on. Okay, so from here I'm gonna grab the rubber again, and I'm gonna start sculpting with the rubber. I haven't got a putty rubber with me, and I haven't got a little one to give me definition, but I'm just gonna work with like a regular rubber that I've got at home. So I'm going to miss some detaily bits that I could do if I had other tools handy. But maybe you guys got them at home. And in there I'm going to stick on the reflection. So from here we're going to go back into So notice how, if you look at the time that I'm spending drawing, I'm a lot more focused on the area around the eye rather than at the eye itself. Okay. And there you go. How to draw an eye in just a few minutes using charcoal. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you get to practice a little bit how to do your own eyes. Just all you need is a mirror and charcoal, or if you prefer pencil or any other drawing materials that you might have at home. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.